Hi friends, this is Marissa. I'm on to share this fun swap that I received. I participated over on Instagram, and it was a Matchbook Pocket swap, and it had to include a card kit to make enough three cards, a memory Dex card, 4 embellishments, and a freebie. Also, we used BBz Kraft's tutorial for the matchbook, and it's a pocket, and so it'll hold the card kit in there. This one is from PJ, and oh my gosh, it is the cutest. I will link everyone's info. Janiva's a hostess. She's also goes by Ask Boss Lady 3132 on Instagram, FYI. But oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable. I'm in love with all the ones that I received, so I'm feeling happy. And check this out. This sequence, oh, shaker. I am not a fan of sequence shakers. Just it's a lot of work, and I don't have the patience for it, but I love them, especially when they're gifted to me. We also had including charms, so this is the cutest little rainbow charm, you guys. I need to find some. I got rid of all my stuff. So the pocket, this one comes with everything included for the card. So we had to make a card, which, oh my gosh, this is seriously just cutest. I am on a rainbow kick too now. And so we're supposed to make a card and then include the kit that makes 3. So in here, PJ's added all the little pieces, components, so I'll make my own. And she added the extra little papers, which, oh, this is the cutest paper. Oh my god, I love it. You have to let me know where you got it. Actually, I'm going to go to your page and see if you... Oh, this is really cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, I saw it when Janiva did her share, but oh, it's so much better in person. It's so cute. Love the colors. And then the back sides. Ooh, I like that. That's a nice sticker. Wow. That's fancy. Okay. This is a mini pocket. Oh, so cute. And look, that's a fancy sticker. I made some, but I like that this one kind of has a shine to it. So here's her memory Dex. Oh my gosh, adorable. Totally all matches. I love that. Absolutely love that. I worked hard. Hold on, let me see what's in here. Oh, cool. It's all her info. Wow, that's really smart. Wow, I like that idea. I tend to just stamp it. I found this stamp, but it's always lopsided. But, oh my gosh, here, let me just move this aside. Okay, and then she sent, I think these are her freebies, which, oh my gosh. Okay, right now, I love these type of dies because I love layering over these type of flowers. Just, oh my gosh, I'm ridiculously hooked on those. And, ooh, a journal with a rainbow. That is cute. Oh my gosh. And then her embellishments are bows, and they are the prettiest colors. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to find this because I've seen a couple people create with it. These are, I swear, like, everybody did such a beautiful job on theirs. Okay, the next one comes from Rosie. And oh my gosh, I saw this one, absolutely loved it. She also included this pack of sunflowers. I love this bee die. It is so cute. And look at this honeycomb. It's got like an iridescent kind of shine to it. So pretty. Look at this charms. Oh, she totally made this. This is out of paper. This is so cool. Buzz. Oh my god, this bee. That is so cute. How cute is that? So you open it up and... oh, these are all the components in. Oh, look at this. This bee is really cool. And let me make sure. Oh yeah, she has her address and stuff back here. This is really pretty. Oh, how cute. I could add like a little picture there. This is a cool memory Dex. I love that bee. I really, really like that. This paper is really freaking cute, man. Okay. Oh, that's right. I opened this up earlier and did a video, and oh my gosh, I screwed it up and couldn't upload. Like, it just would not. So I have to do it over again. But oh my god, I love this. And look at this, is a bow. Oh, so pretty in the flower. There's another little bow in there. Oh wait, look, I didn't even notice this was on a clip. Oh, how cool is that? Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And then the Be Happy. Oh, little bee. How cute. It's a flat back cabochon. Ooh, love that. Okay. Okay, this is such a cute card. Seriously. So these are all the components for it. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to find. I have a punch, but I like this size. And this, I swear, these are really cute bees. Like, these dies are so fine, but oh my gosh, I love them. And it's like a metallic, a black, and then a glittered one. Oh, I really like that. And then these are all the pieces to it. Oh, that's really simple. Oh, these are gonna be easy to make. So the whole idea was to be able to create cards. And, oh, okay, now I can't get that back in. Okay, so this is really, I love this. I really do. I like how you layered it here. And this, I love this paper. I got just rid of some, whatchamacallit, burlap. Okay, and the last one comes from Eve Ara, which I really liked her little tag. So cute. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is the prettiest thing ever. I love it. The layers, the sequence shaker in there, the little charms. Oh, I love it. The flower. This is so pretty. And the stitching, the layering. Oh, you added some stickles. I like that. This is really pretty. The border, the butterfly. So you guys, this is so pretty. I feel like this is shabby chic. Oh, so cute. And the big old flower. And this is such a cool rosette. I really like it. And then her charms are real pretty. Look at this wooden flower. That's pretty. I'm just kind of admiring all of these, and it's giving me more ideas. I like that she put Velcro tabs on there. This is so pretty. Check this out. That is so pretty. Good things. That's pretty. So let's see. We have Shine and ooh, look at that bow. Oh yeah. I'm like, I can't remember what a card looked like, but now I do. It's so pretty. I love this. This is so pretty. I need to get more butterfly dies, which I don't need, but you know, we always want more. And then she has all these little dies. That's a lot of die cutting, man. I'm starting to lose my patience with the die cutting. Oh, when it comes with everything. I'm gonna have fun making the cards. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get that back in and struggle with it. I think that was it. And then the back side. Oh, that's right. She sent this fun little gift. So cute. Look at these flowers. They're pretty. Got big old rhinestone in there. So pretty. And then she sent also these heart rhinestones, which are pretty because they've got like an iridescent to them. Those are so pretty. And then these butterflies. Oh my gosh, I just love them. I feel like her theme was very all butterfly kind of. These are so pretty. I really, really like them. The metallic, because they're layered, and so there's like two layers. There's a pink and a purple. Isn't that pretty? And then the flower in the middle. And then she did this. Oh, I love that. That. I mean, it takes, you don't need to do anything extra, but just that alone, like, and you can totally take the butterflies off and then use this for something else, like, I don't know, bookmark or something, but, oh, I love it. And then she's got her little sticker in the back there, which I think is really cool. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love all this stuff. I'm going to sit here and just play with it and make the cards. And I'm so glad I participated. It's been going on for a while, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to add everybody's info in the box below where all the info goes. You know the drill. So thank you for watching, and you guys have a good weekend. Bye.